Japan is on high alert. A powerful 7.5 magnitude earthquake rocked the northern region, triggering a megaquake advisory and chilling memories of the 2011 disaster. The government warns of a potential megaquake that could unleash a devastating 98-foot tsunami, claiming nearly 200,000 lives. But here's the catch. Officials assure that the advisory is not a prediction, and the chances of such a massive quake are slim, around 1%. This advisory is a stark contrast to the one issued last year for the southern Pacific coastline, which caused confusion and panic. The previous warning led to a frenzy of emergency food purchases, event cancellations, and business closures. But this time, officials aim for a more measured response. The recent quake hit off the eastern coast of Aomori, the northernmost prefecture of Honshu, and near Hokkaido. Residents like Daiki Shimohata, a 34-year-old civil servant, described the tremor as unprecedented, lasting for a terrifying 20 seconds. The quake's proximity to the Japan Trench and Tsushima Trench, which have a history of causing major quakes, raises concerns. Experts reveal that the 2011 quake and tsunami, which killed nearly 20,000 and destroyed a nuclear plant, were linked to the Japan Trench. Now, the government estimates that a similar megaquake in the Hokkaido-Sanriku area could result in a tsunami of the same magnitude, causing immense destruction and economic losses. The advisory covers 182 municipalities from Hokkaido to Chiba Prefecture. Officials urge residents to stay calm, prepare emergency bags, and be ready to evacuate quickly. They also recommend discussing evacuation plans with family and sleeping in day clothes for a swift escape. And this is where it gets controversial. The previous megaquake advisory was criticized for its scientific complexity, causing confusion and travel disruptions. Japan's history with earthquakes and tsunamis is a constant reminder of the need for preparedness. As officials strive to strike a balance between caution and calm, the nation remains vigilant, hoping to avoid another catastrophic event.